Hi everybody, I hope you are doing Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of UltData. We click on settings. We click here on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we'll search about the application of UltData. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.